October 25th, about a minute before 6 o'clock. Now, I won't be shooting any squirrels for probably at least 45 minutes, boys, but I got to get down here around these woods and get in position, because these squirrels, they're pretty slick. See if I can get the right vantage point and kill them out of this few oak trees down here. Now, there's other squirrels probably down there, too.
Number one, boys. I've been watching them squirrels a while. They all over that old tree. Last shot I had to get this gun between these two trees, boys. I didn't have it exactly right. I just made do. That squirrel knew exactly where I was. You see him, he's looking right at me. They're sharp, ain't they? Me in a bind here, boy. I couldn't go for the head on that one. And another one hit the ground, boys. Now that's back down there where I just come from, boys. I gotta go back down that damn hill.
Alright, boys, we're taking inventory here. It's about 8:14. Here's the last squirrel I shot. I had to come down here to get him. He got that old head rattled, didn't he? These are some jumbo gray squirrels. They got some age to them. Man owns it. He don't squirrel hunt. He logs. I seen a couple more squirrels trying to get off his heel here. I'd say with this cannon going off, they a little shook up, but we're going to sit here a little while or move around a little bit. I just need 3 more. That might be tough though, boys. It's supposed to be about 85 or 6 today. All right, boys. I quit a little early. There's some owners' grandsons up there shooting their deer rifles, zeroing them in, I guess. So I left 7 squirrels, all gray squirrels. I don't believe there's a young one in the lot there, boys. These are some pretty good sized gray squirrels.